In this video, we'll learn how to download and install the Blackboard Learn app for Android. First, go to the app library and click on the Google Play Store icon. Next, click the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Blackboard Learn, then press Enter. Once you see the Blackboard Learn app in the results, click the Install button to begin downloading it. Be sure to grant any permissions that may be required for the download. Once the app is installed, click Open and you will be taken to the following screen. In the bar that appears on screen, enter Forsyth Technical Community College for the organization, or select it from the suggested results that appear after typing Forsyth. Lastly, click the Continue with Web Login button at the bottom, and you will be able to log in with your Forsyth Tech email address after authenticating it.